Arda and Elif's Çankırı adventure. Adventure time, shouted Arda, bouncing in his seat. His cousin, Elif, giggled. They were heading to Çankırı, a special city in Turkey, famous for its history and deep salt mines. Arda had packed his magnifying glass, ready to explore every corner. Çankırı is known as the city of salt and mountains. As they drove closer, big, rugged mountains rose around them. Look, Elif. They look like giants sleeping in the sun, Arda whispered. Waiting to greet them was their wise Dede Halil. Welcome, my little adventurers, Dede Halil said, giving them each a warm hug. Çankırı has been here for thousands of years, right in the heart of central Anatolia. Our first stop is high up, Çankırı Castle, watching over the city. Climbing up to the castle was like walking through history. Once they reached the top of Çankırı Kalesi, they could see the whole city spread out below, like a colorful map. Wow! We can see everything from here, Dede, cried Arda. After exploring the old walls, they visited the local marketplace. Çankırı is famous for its sweet pears and local crafts, Dede Halil explained. Elif loved watching a woman weave a bright, intricate Anatolian rug. But the most exciting part was yet to come, the Tuz Magarasi, or salt cave. This isn't just a cave, Dede Halil said mysteriously. It's one of the biggest salt reserves in the world, stretching far underground. Inside, the cave sparkled. The walls were pure, glittering white and pink salt. It was so vast that trucks could drive through the tunnels. It looks like a kingdom made entirely of crystals, Elif gasped, touching the cool, smooth wall. Dede Halil pointed to a part of the wall where the salt was a reddish color. This mine has been used for over 5,000 years. Also, the air inside is very special. It's super clean and good for breathing. After their salty adventure, they needed fresh air. They drove out of the city to see the surrounding natural beauties, like the Eldiven Ski Center mountains and the gentle valleys. They had a picnic by a running stream. Çankırı is wonderful, Arda decided as they drove away, waving goodbye to the mighty mountains. It is a city of history, high castles, sparkling salt, and beautiful fresh nature. We must come back soon.